Hello children, welcome to the new topic. Today we are going to learn line drawing. In that we are going to learn how to color with oil pastels, how to color with color pencils, and how to blend the oil pastel. Blending is one of the important topic and it is very big topic. So today we are going to learn how to color with oil pastels and color pencils, because most of you having difficulties while using oil pastels. How should color by using color pencils, how you have to color. Okay, we may have little bit of confusion, so today we are going to learn that. I have taken the outlines. I have taken triangle, square and rectangle. First I'll draw the outline. Means you have to draw the outline with pencil. I am drawing with marker because if I draw with pencil you cannot see. Okay, I am taking triangle. You all know you have take the triangle with proper measurement. Okay, I have taken this bottom line as 9. Okay, these two sides are equal and this baseline. Okay, you can take this, suppose I have taken this 9, you can take this, the center is 4.5, you can take this as 10, no problem. So I am drawing the outline structure and square, and the square all the four sides are equal, so you can take the length of 6 centimeters. Square all the four sides are equal. In the square all the four sides are equal, we all know that. Okay, now I am taking rectangle, two sides are equal, so you can take this as 4 4 6 6. First you have to draw the outline with pencil. Draw neatly, follow this is one of the important topic, children. Okay, now I have finished, almost I have finished with my outline structure. Now I am coloring the triangle using oil pastel. See, always oil pastel you have to color in form of bubbling. Means this is called bubbling, this stroke is called bubbling. You have to color oil pastels in this format. See, first all of you, first you should color the outline structure. You can see clearly. Color the outline structure first. Always you have learned, first we have to color the outline. And see how I am coloring. You have to color the oil pastels in form of bubbling. This is called bubbling. Okay, bubbling or scribbling. Always this is the format you have to color the oil pastels. See, once if you color like this, no need of coloring once again, no need of going back. See, and you have to hold it lighter. Okay, always we have to color from light to dark. Already we have learned that. See how neatly I am coloring. That's why always oil pastels we have to color in form of bubbling. Okay, fill all the white patches, wherever the white patches over there, fill all the white patches, color it neatly. Okay, we should not cross the border line. Now I am coloring the square with pencil. See, pencil oil pastel you have to color for pencil. Always you have to color in form of color pencils or pencil. You have to color in form of strokes. So these are called strokes. We have learned that horizontal stroke, slanting stroke, and vertical stroke. So now I am using, see, this is a straight line, so I can use, see, first always outline, color the outline first. Color the outline first. See, now I am using horizontal stroke. You can see here. You can see how I am coloring. I am coloring in form. See, I am using stroke. I am starting from here. See, wherever the color is darker, the stroke starts from there. So observe it carefully. This is very important. You can also come from down. Always color from one direction. Okay, color from top to bottom or bottom to top. See, I am coloring in form of strokes. Even I do practice this daily. Okay, strokes, because you people, you children, you just do on coloring, but you should know the basics. How sir is coloring, what are the already I was discussing in all the classes. color with form of strokes, always color from one direct. See, and any patches, or you should not have any patches in middle. Okay, color it neatly. You can see, or you can use horizontal strokes or vertical strokes. See, now this is oil pastel, this is color pencil. Now I am going to show how to blend. Blending is one of the important, and it's not an easy, but we will learn. See, mixing of two colors. Okay, you can see here. See, here I am taking red. Here I am taking red, because we need lots of coloring. Needs first always outline. We discuss coloring. The more number of colors you will learn the color theory by mixing colors. See, this is called blending. What is blending actually? Mixing of colors means when you color it, you will have to give shades. So it should not look like a patchwork. So you can see here. See, I am using red, and I can also use the nearest color yellow. See how I am blending. You can see here. Outline. Take the outline, and see, oil pastels we have to bubble it. Okay, see, no need of do smudging. See, with the oil pastels only you can blend. Okay, you face difficulty in this. So this is a procedure of blending. Practice this. The more you practice, you will improve this. You have to drag the color. So do not forget. You have to drag the color. See, I have taken yellow. Here I have taken red. See, this is called blending. Blending is one of the important topic. Okay, this is oil pastel work. This is color pen. You can use, see, when an object is circle, you can use curving strokes, slanting strokes. Based on your drawing, you have to do this. Okay, I hope you all understand, and you can give a small baseline like this. Because the objects, you have to imagine the object is on the table. I hope this topic is very clear. How to color with color pencils, how to color with oil pastels. Please try. Okay, please try. Thank you, children.